Danke bafowethu. Iplayer le-Orlando Pirates uRelief Mofokeng ufunwa i-team yase-Israel namanye ama-team ase-United States. So i-team yase-Israel ithebule 31 million rands for le exciting South African footballer, but uRelief Mofokeng uyirejectile i-chance yokuthi awudlale e-Israel. uRelief Mofokeng ubheke at least ama-top 5 best leagues in the world yabo ukuthi ajoyine wona. I-Orlando Pirates futhi nayo behind nalento leyo ukuthi uRelief Mofokeng if bayamrelease ngcono bamrelease kuma-league angcono yabo. I think for mina, even if ama-top 5 leagues in the world, which is England, Spain, France, Germany, plus Italy, if those leagues don't come, but still angaya Netherlands, Belgium, lawo ma-league lawo or lawo ma-country lawo adlala ibhola eli-right and then anama-opportunity kakhulu ukuthi adlale kuboma-UEFA Champions League. Siyawabona every season yabo akompyutha ku-UEFA Champions League, ku-Europa and then naku-conference yabo. So uRelief Mofokeng kula ibhola lakhe linga-elevateka khona kangcono, but still nalama-team lawo wase-Israel ayadlala ku-UEFA Champions League nakuboma-Europa. But the problem is that ukudlala laphana e-Israel uRelief Mofokeng maybe kungangcolisa igama lakhe noma i-image yakhe, cause i-Israel bafethu ineyinkinga eyiningi kakhulu because ukuwonke ngengakhuluma indaba yakhona yabo. Singakhohlwa ukuthi uRelief Mofokeng is one of the standout players of the season laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Since wajoyina ku-Orlando Pirates 2 years ago, is one of the leaders of the team. Siyazi ukuthi sasemncane umfana akakahlanganisi nane-21, but guess what, uyi-superstar lapha neteamini. And then begijimisa i-play of the season against uRibeiro. Obviously ke in terms of ama-assist nama-goals ubesemuva kancane, but kulwile ngempela. Ukwazile ukuwina i-play of the season laphana kusoccer laduma online, abantu bamvotela ukuthi uyi-play of the season yabo. I think basebenzisa uthanda abantu cause uRibeiro yes like wenze kahle kakhulu, but abantu on the ground ama-fans athi uRelief Mofokeng i-play of the season. I think bamnikile i-play of the season because umfana omncane ongakazi adlale outside South Africa odlalela nje Orlando Pirates, uthole i-team well equipped ukuthi ngakwazi ukukhompyutha for izinto eziningi, but wathola i-team enama-senior players mixed with the young players, but wakwazi ukufika lapha ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi abe yi-leader nanokuthi akwazi ukucontribute kahle ku-Orlando Pirates. Namhlanje uRelief Mofokeng sebhekwa ama-team amaningi kakhulu. Singakhohlwa-ke bafethu, njengoba kuyi-team yase-Israel kuthiwa iyamfuna, sokuvele nenye yase-United States, but-ke seke waya laphana ku-team edlala ku-English Premier League or at the time beyidlala khona i-Wolves bafethu. i-Wolves beyimfuna and then uke wandiza-ke waya lapha ne-UK kuma-trial. Indaba yakhona kaze khulunyiwe ngayo, maybe-ke ngoba i-transfer market izovulwa basazobuyela kuye if they were impressed or maybe bakhala nge-physique yakhe. Akukaze kwaripotiwa ngayo le nto leyo, but sambona aya kuma-tryouts le ne-England. Singakhohlwa-ke ne-Barcelona ukuthi kuyanyonyoba bafethu, but bekukhulunywa nge-Barcelona B, le reserve side ye-Barcelona A. So uRelief Mofokeng I think mangaya ku-Barcelona B, as much as imali ikhona yonke into i-right, but i-spotlight isizohamba kuye ngoba ngeke asadlala kuma-highly competitive league. So I don't think it's a good move ukuthi amuvele ku-Barcelona B, but-ke maybe Belgium, Netherlands angaqala khona. Top 5 leagues in the world i-problem kancane bafethu because kunzima kakhulu. I-physique angazi ukuthi ufit enough ukuthi angadlala kulowo ma-league, but-ke ngiyamthemba umfana ukuthi given a chance uzokwazi ngempela ukuziprova. But-ke ama-systems in place mele asurrounde nabantu abamthandayo, like enough unamamakhe nobabakhe, abantu abazokwazi ngempela kumprotecta noma-travela all over the world bazobe bekhona eceleni kwakhe bamake sure ukuthi uRelief Mofokeng uyafika ku-potential yakhe nanokuthi-ke akwazi uku-achieve izinto ezinkulu ebholeni lasemhlabeni. Is Relief Mofokeng the future of world or global football, not just the future of South African football? I guess we'll never know. Kumele silinde sibone ukuthi i-career yakhe izohamba kanjani. I-talent likhona, but e-Europe it's a different ball game. So bona danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe. The most important thing is subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula. Danko bafethu.